Now for our feature story of the day. Bitcoin on the way to 1 million this year in 2025, according to PlanB, creator of the Bitcoin stock to flow model. So let's break it down, family. Here we go. PlanB, known for the stock to flow model. Let me know how many of you have been following the stock to flow. We've been covering it here on the channel since the inception of the pod. States the Bitcoin is ready for new cycle of growth. According to his analysis, the average price of the Bitty will reach $500,000 per coin in the period between 2024 and 2028, which is ultimately between last year, the time of the halving, and 2028, the time of the next halving, with a range between $250,000 and $1 million. Let me know if you agree, disagree with the creator of the Bitcoin stock to flow model. PlanB's prediction is now set, or nothing new since 2022. He reiterated this goal despite criticism and doubts from the community. And according to PlanB, the stock to flow model, which measures the scarcity by comparing the number of the new biddies with the existing supply, provides an accurate indication of the future price levels. PlanB's past predictions, such as the 108 peak in 2024, have further cemented its reputation as a data-driven analyst. That's right. Charts don't lie, family. My forward guidance, he says, for 2025 has not changed since 2022, when Bitcoin was 20 G's. See below, and here's the receipts. He predicted a rise into the April 2024 halving. Check. He predicted a halving around the stock to flow value. Check. He predicted a pump after the halving. Check. He predicted 100,000 in 2024. You know we hit 108. Check. And the next prediction, which didn't come to fruition yet, is in 2025, hit the stock to flow target of an average of 500,000 per coin with a range between 250 and 1 million. And here's the receipts laid out for you right here. This was the original tweet from October 6th of 2022. And like clockwork, I mean, stock to flow, granted, it was a little off the mark more recently for the previous cycle, but I think it's because we had some black swan events which weren't calculated in, but still over the long haul, very accurate in comparison to a lot of the other, metrics which we like to cover on the show. Now, the Bitcoin halving in 2024 occurred in April, is seen as an important catalyst for the expected price increases. As you know, during the halving, the reward for the miners gets halved, resulting in a reduction of the supply of the new coins. This mechanism contributed to the prices of the past, as seen in 2017 and 2021. And hitting you with another tweet here from PlanB. This was actually dated April 17th, so this was around the time of the halving, and this got 760,000 views. In my opinion, this Bitcoin halving will not be different. All the Bitcoin price increase will again be around the halving, buying 6 million before the halving and selling 18 million after the halving. And he says Bitcoin greater than 100,000 in 2024 obviously came true. He thinks the Bitcoin top will be greater than 300,000 per coin in 2025. Then Adam Back chimed in. I am thinking Bitcoin to gold this coming, I guess he means overtaking gold the coming cycle. PlanB says agreed. Bitcoin must take out gold because it has 2x scarcity. Divided by the stock to flow, my Bitcoin top greater than 300,000 per coin is the low end of the 250,000 or 1 million range. Last cycle, I took the high end and Bitcoin decided to go to the low end. Let's see how this will work out. Let me know if you guys agree or disagree with that prediction of the stock to flow. In addition, the institutional adoption too. We got the big players like MicroStrategy, who recently increased their holdings of 446,000 Bitcoin, are strengthening the confidence as Bitcoin as a store of value. This not only increases demand, but also sets the firm floor under the price. Strong roots, family. Now, with a forecast value of 500,000 as a guideline, many believe Bitcoin is an attractive asset. I'd say the most attractive asset we've ever seen. However, the acquisition or question remains whether these predictions hold up in a market that offers both opportunity and risk. Well, of course, everything naturally has a risk. No risk, no reward. But here's one thing we know for certain. The purchasing value of the dollar is mathematically guaranteed to increase your purchasing value against the dollar. So it's the ultimate hedge against the dollar. It's the perfect store of value. And it's the perfect savings, because everyone who has saved in Bitcoin is in the green. You know what I mean? Virtually every single person who has saved in Bitcoin is in the green. The key, you have to hodl for 4 years or longer, which is a typical cycle. I encourage you to hodl at least 1 or 2 cycles, which is 4 to 8 years. If you can do that, you're going to be very grateful, because that's what history has shown us. And we all know they're going to continue printing fiat until the wheels fall off, which is only going to make Bitcoin appreciate that much more. And again, welcome everyone to the Q&A segment. of the live stream. We got 1,400 people here live and in the flesh. Good to have the fam celebrating with us today. Don't forget to join our Discord, discord.cryptonewsalerts.net. Anticipating dropping the link to the 100K Fiesta Puerto Rico celebration within the next 48 hours. Very limited seating, very limited tickets. So you guys are going to want to jump on that and plan accordingly. And I'll give you a heads up. The date is going to be February 8th and February 9th. February 8th for those just attending the party venue, and also additional bonus VIP day. February 9th for those who, attend VIP. So the 8th and the 9th of February, plan accordingly.